Hey there. In this video I'm showing step by step on how to download WhatsApp on desktop, or how to download WhatsApp in laptop. So, without waste of time, let me start. At first, open any web browser that is on your computer. Up here on search, type in WhatsApp for PC. Click on WhatsApp for PC download. Here you will find a lot of websites with the information. But, for me, I would recommend you to click on this official website for WhatsApp. Okay. Here is the official website page for WhatsApp. As you can see, they are showing that you can download WhatsApp from Google Play Store, from App Store, and then even from Microsoft Store. But since this video ma showing how to download it for desktop, I have to click on this. Click on Open Microsoft Store. The store launched. Click on Get. The WhatsApp app will start downloading, as you can see here. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel so that you learn more useful videos. Okay. Now once it's done, click on Start. Here you can see the app is installed. Now to add it on the start. Click here. Right-click on it. Then select Pin on Start. Again, right-click and pin it on taskbar. So that's it. Just scan the QR with your phone and then get connected. So, if you don't know how to connect it, the video is ready in the description, just visit and then learn how to do it. Until next time. Bye.